Hey.
We're gonna pick you up. Yay!
What you pet pocket in?
Pickpocketing in your daddy. You and Papa just played a game on him. You pretend like you want to hug on him, and she got his phone.
Oh, this was a set. Give me that phone, girl.
Seatbelt, Jewel.
The very next, for the very next day, I tear my teeth. I give it something special.
So, should we sing that song? You pick strawberries. Action. Let's go. So, today is day 8 of Vlogmas.
9.
Day 8.
No, 9.
Day 8.
Yesterday was day 8.
Yesterday was day 7.
No, it's day 9.
What day it is, Jayla?
Look.
What day it is, Kim? Let them see your phone. Let them see. What day it is?
Day 8.
All of them keep trying to get me wrong for the vlog. Everybody keep trying to get me wrong, but check out our swag.
I never.
Today we did black and red for the U pick.
This is day 8.
Y'all see Papa.
Look.
Papa, Kimmy. Kimmy, it looks like your boots on the wrong feet, but okay. Let's go. So, y'all like the fit. Something plain, simple. Zara's, Doc Martens. One boot tied, one boot not.
Mom, we wanted to make a shot.
Rolled my hair.
Mom,
Did a quick beat. But, stop bouncing the ball and get in the car. It takes them 20 minutes to get in the car every time.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Go.
No,
in the car.
doesn't.
Seatbelt. Give me that. Car. Seatbelt.
I'm not fair to you.
Car. Y'all, let's go. Pick some strawberries.
We're going to Jewel Pill trip. It better be fun.
You pick, here we go. We're on our way to pick some strawberries. I haven't did that since I was a kid. We're literally on our way to go pick some strawberries. You haven't, right, Kim?
I did.
Papa did the other day with his class, but today is the day we're gonna pick strawberries. As you see, the film board. Strawberry picking. Possibly sunflowers. We went through the maze before. It's very scary to me, but it was kind of dark. Today is light, so it's early still. It's actually 10:32, so today is gonna be long, but we're gonna get it done. So let's go. So hey guys, we finally made it to the U-Pick form. It's actually strawberries today. Like we told y'all, we was gonna pick strawberries, but other than that, they have a lot of other things here. I would make sure I drop the name of the form. Come inside down below. But we made it, so we're about to get this party started. We're gonna get some organic ice cream as well, for sure. Jordan probably already left. Let's see. Let's see. They eat right there?
Yeah.
So did the field trip already leave?
Oh yeah, a while ago.
Wow.
They're out on the trams.
They still here?
Oh yeah, but they're
Oh man, I wanted to surprise my daughter. But we're gonna pick strawberries today.
But can you bring us this?
What was that?
Can you bring us this? We don't know.
No, he cannot take us with them.
Far away.
We'll see them when they get back.
Strawberries, black buckets, take scissors, cut them, don't pull them.
Okay.
Is anyone gonna show us? Would anyone be able to show us? Just take scissors, you two. Blue for Papa.
Ouch.
You want green or orange?
Wait, there's orange in the... I can't see.
Get orange.
Oh, there's blue. Oh, pink.
Thank you. Get you a bucket. Papa, you did this already. You should already know. You got a bucket?
Where's the strawberry?
Through the open gate, down the ramp, follow the picture signs.
Okay.
We were here before.
Yes, we came here already before.
Down
All
there.
right, let's go.
Papa, you know the strawberry?
Guys, I just love this form. Guys, my dream thing, my end all do all is a form. Like, I literally keep saying this. If you catch it and if you follow me and pay attention to the things that I say, this is my dream. Yes. Can y'all wait on me? Wait on me.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you
Okay, so them are the peppers over there.
Big apple? Look at that apple. That's not apple. It's a pepper.
No, it's not. Don't pick it. That is a tomato, and they're not ready yet.
I know. I'm going to find what that is. I thought they big apple. Look at that one.
They may be green tomatoes. Well, they're turning red as well.
See where we get the...
Wait, Papa. Papa, wait on me.
Get juicy. Get big juicy one.
Don't step on them. Don't do that. Let's go down.
Oh, that's
Let's work our way.
I found one. Oh, that's their bed. I found one.
You cut it.
No. I've been here before, Mommy.
I know
You cut it at this line. They told us.
Okay. Wait. Don't get crazy. Let's go down some.
I did. I already cut mine.
Okay, you cut one.
They far away, Papa. Look at these 3 juicy ones.
Them are some nice ones. Nice.
So now wait. These are nice. Oh, these are nice. Oh no! No.
What?
No.
What happened?
No. Nobody can take these ones. Yes, somebody is. No, Papa, Key!
Wait. You don't have to fill up the bucket.
I know.
We're gonna pick other things, okay?
I know.
But strawberries are the first thing.
Yeah, but what's up?
So what y'all think, we should make a strawberry salad?
No, don't be. strawberry salad, that would be disgusting. Oh, nobody's gonna get
Wait,
that.
Papa, go that way and look this way.
Nobody-
Papa, wait, look this way. That's enough. Look this way. Your face is so dry.
Nobody's gonna get these.
No, them too little. Don't cut them. They are babies.
Mommy, you very can eat them.
Don't.
You can eat them.
I know, but wait till we get in the front. Wait till we get in the front.
Mommy, look.
I see. This is nothing but,
Strawberry.
no, this is nothing but amazing to me. This is beautiful.
This is bacon corn. Bacon.
Kim, you're not gonna let me get
Okay, you can eat them. Which one, Mommy?
That's
We
it.
gonna get some other fruit?
Yes, let's go.
I'm getting some
Papa,
for
that's
you.
it.
I'm
Let's go
getting
get
some-
some.
Okay.
Let's go get some peppers for Jayla.
Okay. No, this way.
Come on.
Mommy's this way.
Oh, look, it's a whole nother area.
Let's walk.
Y'all only did this one. No, we're not going through there. They say do not cut through. Kim, come back. See you
You
later.
don't come back. Walk too slow.
I walk too slow, so y'all. What?
I didn't say that.
I'm walking slow.
No. Mommy, come on.
I'm walking slow.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the dance y'all be doing?
Yeah.
Nah, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Walk, walk, walk. Now we walk, walk.
Turn it out,
and walk. Turn around and walk. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Look at this squish stuff.
I love it. I'm obsessed. We gotta get on our job in our backyard. Okay.
Oh,
So you got about 2 pounds and you got about 2 pounds.
No, I got 1 pound.
More.
Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart.
How did they turn black?
I don't know. So we're going to pick peppers now. Oh my God, beautiful.
Why he have so many?
That's good. He got a good pick.
Oh my raw strawberries.
Wow.
Look at that green pepper.
Yes. Guys, I'm getting ready to learn how to do my future job as a mom in my backyard.
That's not your backyard. This is a farm.
This a farm, but it's gonna be my backyard.
Now look at this. This is a farm. She is chicken. Are you okay? Get a red one, Mom.
Okay, let's go. Let's find some more.
Okay. You said you was gonna cut 2.
Not right here. I'm gonna go in.
Why your personal?
You got it?
Wait, Mom, they having lunch right now.
They is?
Yeah, I think.
You see anyone over there?
They is having lunch.
Okay, let's go.
So, we're gonna see if Jewel having lunch right now. Oh, you having my cookie? Oh, let me try some. I never tried a pepper. Mom, they have lunch at 10 o'clock.
It's 11.
I'm
Love yours.
So we're about to surprise Jewel on her class field trip. We came here to surprise her. I'm nervous.
Let's go get ice cream first.
Because I hope that she's over there.
She is, Mommy. It's happy.
She's gonna be so happy.
Let's go get her ice cream first.
She's gonna be so happy.
Let's go.
Literally, she's gonna be so excited. I don't think they're over there.
Man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind.
She deboed your bucket.
Oh, come on, sweetheart. I wouldn't do that to you. Does do look nice, but they're $5 a pound.
Yes, $5.99 a pound.
I thought she said $4.99. Are you sure about the price? Because that's what they are in the containers inside the store.
Oh, well, let me check. Oh, $4.99.
Okay, because $4.99 is bad enough.
Yeah, it is, but they switched it last year. It was $5.99.
Do you come out here often?
Yes.
But don't they have a certain time of the year where the strawberries are like huge?
Yes.
It's like at the very beginning?
Yes, at the
When is
beginning,
that?
but they stopped it because of...
Hey, Mommy,
Don't you touch another one.
But I didn't eat one
I
yet.
know you did. You're not supposed to eat them.
And Mommy, they said you could throw them out right over there.
Merry Christmas.
I know your voice is correct. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thank you.
I not look like a fool. Come on, Mommy.
I thought I heard kids. So guys, I'm actually about to...
Get ice cream.
Guys, I'm actually about to go buy a strawberry plant and see what I can do.
And some ice cream.
Okay? And some homemade ice cream.
Let's go find the strawberry plant.
So mind you guys, Kim's Club, I actually purchased Jayla a pineapple plant for her birthday because me and her have like the same vibe. So I actually got her one and I think I'm gonna get me a strawberry plant.
That's her birthday. Timmy, when is her birthday? When Jayla's birthday? It's in November. I get one for Joel.
It's gonna be melted by the time she comes. So I'll just come back and get her one before we leave and put it in the freezer at home.
This one not caramel. Mommy, can you get this one?
I'm not getting one. You guys get your own.
Okay.
Pick out which one you want.
Wait, can I get? I don't
No,
know.
you want.
It's a hard.
Come on, and then we're gonna go have lunch.
Okay. At where? Well, you supposed to pay.
I have to see. Come on.
We can have lunch here. There's lunch.
Well, let's see what they have.
I had a lady who came in a little too early and didn't get it.
Oh,
Yeah.
did they come every day?
You know, come on in and get them home to eat so we can take them out of school.
Quick snack. We're waiting on Jewel them to come to lunch. So we have about 20 minutes before they get here. How was your ice cream? Good? Good? Bye, okay, y'all?
That's the first time
Fire.
you're so close to that.
They're so good. Come on, kettle chips. Come on. Calling him with a camera in his face. We're actually calling him to let him see. But y'all can see me too.
Look at yourself. Oh. Yeah.
We still waiting on Jewel. It's 11:42. They'll be over here at 12. He'll call us back. Cause he tripping. He ain't answering us. Boy, you ain't answering that phone. You got me. You gotta get on this phone. So Daddy called back. They got some.
We got some for you.
Huh?
We got some for the whole family.
Okay. That's what's up. I'm looking forward to coming home now.
Yep, sure.
Food makes me.
They got us some.
happy.
We know food makes you happy. It look like you eating now. What you eating?
Timmy got the same dress as Juju had on?
Yeah.
You had it all planned out.
Yep.
Well, Papa?
Right here.
No, what's up?
What's up?
Oh, you had the fun, you ain't gonna say nothing because you eating. Food make me happy too.
No.
Yes, it do.
It made me sad.
It don't make you sad. You hear? He said food make him sad. Crazy.
I'll see y'all in a bit.
Okay, we love you.
All right, love y'all too.
So guys,
It looks like their trailer pulled up. It looks like they
look at the big strawberry. I didn't know I got this.
Papa, you're gonna eat every strawberry. Mind you, guys already knew how the strawberry bag looks. This your bag right here? Just going in there. Literally.
What is that?
Almost done. Almost done.
Huh? Where they at? Come on, where they at? Where they
Just
at?
relax and wait.
Where they at? Where they at? I like watch.
So guys, I'm starting to feel like Papa got us sitting in the wrong space.
Yeah, they went inside, y'all.
Because Papa said that they come sit
Here.
right here where we at
But they don't. They go inside to eat.
to eat.
I'm for real, mommy. Let's go inside, y'all. Cause we about to surprise Jewel, and we about to buy her. Like, no, we already bought her a
Where
lollipop.
is it?
It's in your purse, right? Is it?
Let me see. I don't know if y'all put it in my purse.
No, actually, did we leave it? Wait, is this? Come on, mommy. We gotta go back. We gotta go get it, cause we left our strawberry.
Jewel is coming. Jewel is coming. She don't see us. Come, sit down, sit down.
She do see us.
No, she don't. No,
Yes,
she don't.
Yes, she does.
She don't see us.
That big fruit.
I want to surprise Jewel for lunch.
Hurry up. Big.
Okay, I've got it followed. Okay.
This one that we're on.
What's up, girlie? I didn't mean to ignore you. I was caught off guard. How are you?
We have lunch. One down.
Yes, our lunch is coming. Why don't Mandel firsties? Why don't we come and sit over
Can I go home?
So Jewel is getting her ice
I
cream.
never tried this one.
No, leave it and let Jewel pick her ice cream. Pick your ice cream, Jewel. Papa, back up. What ice cream do you want, Jewel? Make it snappy.
No.
Let's go, Jewel.
No. No, you don't want that. You just want it. Here.
So mission accomplished.
Mom,
The twins are back together.
we got our urban air.
Come on, guys. Triplets, basically, are back together. And we're about to get some lunch. And it's a wrap. We completed our U-Pick strawberry day. I surprised Jewel at her lunch at school. Oh, everyone is leaving too. Look.
Cora, mommy, please.
Which one is Cora?
That one.
Just wave. She's seen you.
That's Cora.
Seatbelt, guys.
Annabella, can I say hi to Annabella? Please, please. Annabella!
Jewel.
What?
We had to park so far because
Wait,
there's nowhere to park. Close the doors. Let's
I'm
roll.
not leaving the strawberries.
Yeah, leave the strawberries in the car. Fold the bag up.
Don't touch no one car. Okay, super
So we can't really record so much because we are playing copyrighted.
Mexico. Yeah, our food came quick.
There go our food.
Here's the queso and chips.
Right here in the middle.
And the crispy grouper and Baja shrimp.
Right here.
Oh,
Love yours.
Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
No, I said. Yeah, I said that. I said was 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. 2, 0. Look at that. Oh, 13. Oh, no, it's 15. It was 15.
So hey guys, I'm back with y'all just to let y'all know that today's video is over.
No.
Vlog 8. Yes, Vlogmas 8 is over. I have completed Vlogmas 8. We're
eating right now.
Lunch, snack. And we're gonna go home, chill, unwind, and I'm gonna edit this video and I should be dropping it by this evening.
And while she's editing the video, we're gonna be on a trampoline.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, they making their own plans. But I just want to thank you guys so much for motivating me. All of the YouTube sensations and YouTube inspirations and all of the YouTuber families who's doing Vlogmas.
Views, everything.
Oh yes, the subscribers, the like, the comments, the views. Like, I totally appreciate it. And just be waiting for tomorrow's vlog. You never know what I have in store for y'all. But today was really fun.
Wait, we going
and
to
different
tomorrow's
for us.
vlog?
Huh?
We going to tomorrow's vlog?
Of course, you guys. You think? Comment below if y'all think they should be in tomorrow's vlog.
Yes.
Or should I do it by myself?
No. No, please like and comment.
I don't know.
Hit that bell of Mommy Goes By Herself. Don't hit the subscribe button of Mommy if we should go with her.
Oh really? No. But thank y'all.
Like, comment, comment, hit that bell. Bye.